What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of Bushcraft Living Vids. And today I got my 410 shotgun out here, the one I used for turkey hunting. I ain't never showed y'all it, but here it is, guys. 410, and as y'all can see in the background, if y'all ain't figured it out by yet, but by the title of this video, but today I am going to show you, or just so y'all can just watch how to clean the barrel inside it and just clean it outside, just make it sign up and make it rust prevention. But guys, I'm going to show you, this is your cleaning, this is your barrel rod you shove through the barrel. I got this kind of tip on it because you take a paper towel or a rag like this, if you got bigger ones, and you take that and you wad it up and you put it on the outside of this, then you shove it in the barrel. But I got this kit. It's got the rust prevention lubricant for the outside, then you got the bore cleaner, which is for the inside right here. This is what you put on a paper towel or something to make it rust prevention inside. But yeah, guys, take all this out here on my picnic table just so I'll show you better. Yeah, let's see if I can find you a stand to hold the camera. Maybe this piece of log, maybe. I ain't for sure. It might though. Never know. Let's see. Maybe like this. Okay. That should be good enough. I move it on y'all. Yeah, I tilted it sideways, sorry for that. Okay. I see. Is it just gonna play tricks with me all day, or are we gonna be able to show you something? Okay. I got the paper towel here. You can use, like I said, a rag or anything else you want to use. So what you do, you take this, I'm gonna tear off a piece about just that big, about just enough for you. You all can eyeball it, just it's not that big, guys, I'm telling you. So what you do, you get your shotgun over here. Let's see if I'm gonna show a good angle again. Looks alright. Okay. But number one importantest thing you can do is to make sure it's empty before you start cleaning a gun. So you break down the barrel for this, and you look straight through, and it's empty. What you do, you lay that down, you get this, and for the first time you run it through, you can just do this, stick it right there, just shove it until you see it. And guys, look, that's how dirty it is inside it, just from all the gunpowder and stuff. So do that about 2 more times, and I'm gonna get a little bit bigger piece. Sorry about making y'all wait. Okay, I got a piece about this big. I'm gonna wad it up into a ball like that. Put it on the end here. Hold it, then right there, and you just cram it, just like that, all the way through until pop. Then run that back out, and it's got more. So what you want to do, if if y'all don't have this, I'm going to show you what else y'all can use. If you don't have this, you get a little bit of this, and you just damp it like that. Put it right there, and push it. Yeah. And you push it. Once it's in, you just go. So you stay it on. Boom. Look how much cleaner. And look how much more it got off the inside. Okay, you got that. You look through it. Looks clean. Okay, but y'all's wondering, what if y'all don't have this gun kit? What if y'all don't have this rod? Well, what you can do, you can get... Okay guys, sorry about that, but I ran and I got this. This is arrow. The feathers broke off of it, as y'all can see, and nothing's on it. If you don't have that push rod, what you can do, you just get this, tear off the piece, put it right there, and push straight through, just like you would with that push rod. Till it comes all the way through, just like that. And you do that about 2 times, like I done, and then you get WD-40. You can get it anywhere, like at your Walmart or Tractor Supply, or just at your closest store. Get you a spray can of WD-40. You can spray a little in the barrel, but you don't have to. You can just spray some on this paper towel and just do the same thing. But yeah, guys, that's what you do. Sorry for that, my paper is just flying off, but that's how you clean the inside of it. And I'm gonna put part 2 of this video of cleaning the outside and making it shine, so make sure you stay with that. Make sure y'all look in the link in the description, and I'll put the link to the video of part 2, so you can just click there and watch it. But yeah, guys, be right back with you.